Are you looking for the best movers in Laguna Hills, California? 3 Movers is here to help make your move smooth, affordable, and stress-free. In today's video, we're diving into how 3 Movers can be your ultimate choice for all your moving needs. From local moves to long-distance transfers, let's explore why we're the best choice for you. Moving long distance doesn't have to be stressful. Whether you're relocating to another state or all the way across the country, 3 Movers has the experience and expertise to make your move easier. Here's what you can expect: packing and unpacking. Don't have the time or energy? Let us handle the packing and unpacking for you. Packing materials, need boxes and materials? We've got you covered with top quality supplies. On-time service, our movers always arrive on schedule. No delays, no cancellations. Transparent pricing, get an upfront, no surprise moving quote so you can budget with ease. Licensed and insured, we are fully licensed and insured, meaning your belongings are always in safe hands. With us, you can sit back, relax, and let the professionals handle it all. Moving has never been this easy. If you're moving locally in Laguna Hills, you don't need to go through the hassle of renting a truck and doing all the heavy lifting yourself. 3 Movers makes your local move efficient and stress-free. Looking for local movers you can trust? Call 3 Movers today for the best Laguna Hills moving experience.